TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's Friday. It's 9 a.m. It's payroll jobs Friday on top of that. And we got markets in relatively mixed, flat territory right now. Dow futures, -6 points, trading 24,337. S&P's currently positive by 1, trading 2739. And NASDAQ futures currently positive by 10 points, trading 71.36. Start things off. Let's jump over to some of the news this morning before we dive into the charts. So the big number, of course, non-farm payrolls rising 213,000 is the number there. Unemployment rate back at 4%. So digging into those numbers a bit, the expectation was for about 195,000 and for the unemployment rate to hold at 3.8%. And in terms of wage growth, in terms of payroll gains, you have average hourly earnings rising 2.7% year on year, a bit below expectation of 2.8%. So with that in line, let's jump back to the charts. And there's your volatility on that 830 payroll number. You have markets coming into that number at 830 in negative territory, and all the indices spiking higher, but as you can see, pulling back after the initial spike. So S&P is currently trading 2737. We saw a spike all the way up to 2744 on that news. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar action, currently trading 7129. We spiked all the way up to 7150 on the dot, so already 21 NASDAQ 100 points off the high. Dow 30, again, similar action, currently trading 24,307, spiked to a high on the payroll number, 24,368. Gold contract, volatility as well, but pretty much right where we were before that jobs number came out, trading 1256.55. Crude oil trading lower this morning, currently trading 72.35 in crude. And Bitcoin hanging at around that 6,600 mark. Seems like we have a tight trading range here, down to about 64.50 early in the session, currently trading 65.89. What else you have going on out there in terms of fundamentally in the market? You have tariffs beginning last night, or even this morning, midnight basically. As of midnight this morning, $34 billion worth of Chinese goods. The tariffs kick in. And of course, you have China immediately retaliating with tariffs on its $34 billion list of goods issued last month. We'll see if that plays out. We'll see if rhetoric plays out throughout the day. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. We have our man Larry Pesavento coming up right now at 9 o'clock with Trade What You See. I, of course, will be back with 10 o'clock with Tom. Full day of programming all Friday until 4 p.m. Have a great Friday, everybody.